Bonsai is both an art and a science, and when it comes to the Mugo Pine, or Pinus mugo, proper care makes all the difference. In this guide I'll show you exactly how to care for your Pinus mugo so it thrives for years to come. Mugo pines are loved for their rugged bark, compact needles, and mountain-borne resiliency. They're hardy, yes, but to bring out their full beauty, they need care, tailored to their nature. Let's start with light and temperature. Full sun is non-negotiable. Mugo pines need direct sunlight to grow strong and keep the needles small and compact. During peak summer, make sure the pot doesn't overheat. Wrap it or shade it slightly if needed. When winter comes, remember, while Mugo pines can handle cold, bonsai in pots are more vulnerable. So if the temperature drops extremely, place your tree in a cold frame or unheated garage to protect its roots. Now let's talk about watering. The key is balance. Keep the soil moist but never waterlogged. Overwatering can cause root rot, which is one of the most common issues in bonsai care. And in winter, reduce watering slightly since the tree's growth slows down. Feeding is just as important. During the growing season, from spring to midsummer, feed your tree every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced organic fertilizer. Once the new shoots harden, stop fertilizing to avoid oversized needles and weak growth. Control feeding leads to stronger wood and more compact foliage. Repotting is a bit different for Mugo pines. Unlike most species, they prefer to be repotted in late summer. Younger trees need it about every 3 years. Mature ones can wait for 5 or even more. When repotting, be gentle with root pruning, especially for older trees, and never reduce the foliage during repotting. That foliage supports root health, and always use a well-draining bonsai soil when repotting it. Speaking of soil, Mugo pines do best in a mix of akadama, pumice, and lava rock, 1/3 each. This ensures great drainage and prevents root rot. Avoid organic-rich soils that hold too much moisture. Now for pruning and wiring. Never prune more than half of the foliage at once. Take your time. Pinch new shoot to encourage back budding and denser growth. And avoid pruning in the same year you have repotted it. That can overly stress the tree. When wiring, late summer to early fall is ideal. Mugo pine branches stay flexible even when they are mature. For major bends though, use guide wires to reduce the risk of tearing and breaking the branches. And let's not forget pests and diseases. Mugo pines are strong, but still vulnerable to aphids, scale, and spider mites. For fungal issues like root rot or needle blight, make sure your tree gets sun and airflow, and always use well-draining soil. Finally, adapt your care through the season. In spring, start feeding and pinching. In summer, repot if needed and protect roots from heat. In fall, reduce feeding and begin wiring. And in winter, shield the tree from deep frost.